Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer Ethereum, or ETH, from Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your crypto to a personal wallet for better security or to another exchange, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. By 2025, crypto transfers are even more streamlined, but the basics remain straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. This is where all your assets are listed, and it's the hub for managing your funds. Next, locate your ETH balance. Binance might have upgraded its interface by 2025, but you'll still find ETH under your main assets. Click on it to open the details. Now, select the Withdraw or Transfer option. Depending on the latest updates, it could be labeled differently, but it's usually right there. Here's where you need to be extra careful. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this. In 2025, with advanced blockchain tech, mistakes can still cost you big time. Make sure you're using the correct network, like the Ethereum mainnet, to avoid any compatibility issues. Then, input the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, if you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, set up, and you absolutely should, enter the code sent to your device. This adds an extra layer of security against potential hacks. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen, and then it's off to the blockchain. After that, keep an eye on your transaction status. Binance and blockchain explorers like Etherscan will let you track it in real time. In just a few minutes, your ETH should be in the new wallet. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH from Binance in 2025. Always prioritize security, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.